In 200 years' time, the little spruce could reach nearer to the sky than any other tree in the world. The life of plants is a constant battle for sunlight. Unlike the hundreds of years lived by some Tibetan spruces, other plants in the forest have to make the most of just minutes. For the fastest growing plants in the world, life is a dash to the sky. In the valley of Wui Mountain, the bamboo shoots can grow to a height of over 20 meters in just 40 days, with the assistance of the Pacific monsoon and the spring sunshine. At their fastest, they can grow a meter a day. It's a race for speed. The one that grows the tallest in the shortest time will be rewarded with adequate sunlight. In terms of its height and diameter, bamboo stops growing not long after the shoot breaks through the ground. Instead of getting higher or wider, it will grow stronger. Bamboo is the largest plant in the world. The power the bamboo shoots need to grow originates in their vast root system. The bamboo rhizome connects the whole bamboo forest. Botanists therefore treat a bamboo forest as a single plant. The fully grown bamboo has the responsibility to nurture the new bamboo. It obtains nutrition from the sunlight, which it transfers to the new bamboo shoots. China is the home of bamboo. 85% of bamboo in the world is found in the region south of the Yangtze River. And it's a generous plant, because the bamboo forest will not filter out all the sunlight. The light and heat that reach the ground make it possible for shrubs to grow in the forest. For botanists, this is a kingdom of insects, a haven for birds, and a focal point of amphibian and reptile research. The bamboo forest is also home to the greatest abundance of butterfly species. A truly fascinating place to observe the battle for survival is southern China, where sunlight is plentiful. The tropical rainforest below Jianfengling in Hainan province is extremely crowded. On 1 hectare of land, 150,000 young plants take root and sprout every year, but fewer than 1 in 100 of them will grow into a tall tree. Every single tree and seed is surrounded by enemies. The green gauge seeds begin their journey of life in a stream, flowing with the current. If they can't find a suitable place to sprout within 10 days, they will die. Near a bank lies a log, part of a tree destroyed last year by a typhoon. The log's surface is first occupied by fungi, which grow and rot quickly. Then it is covered by lichen. There are sufficient nutritional elements in the tropical rainforest, but for the seeds and seedlings, what's more important is that this fallen tree provides them with a small but nonetheless vital skylight through which the sunlight pours onto the ground. Beside the log, a green gauge seedling is already growing. In the rainforest, the plants are distributed according to their height. On the wet ground during the wet season, the fungi grow fast. Just above the fungi, the leaves of the palmaceous plants grow thickly. Beneath the treetops, the vines climb and twist as they grow among the plants. There are numerous types of epiphytic plant, and they grow in abundance. With all these layers to block it, little sunlight reaches the ground. If it is fortunate, decades from now, the green gage seedling will have grown into a tall tree, monopolizing its skylight. On China's territory, the only sizable areas of tropical rainforest are found on Hainan Island, in Xishuangbanna in Yunnan province, and in southeastern Tibet. The rainforest surrounding Jianfengling in Hainan is home to 15% of the plant species found in China. It is known as a gene bank of northern tropical flora and fauna. The battle for survival among the plants is silent, but the insects are much noisier. The red tree ants live on the branches of the Hainan maduka tree. These are also their hunting grounds. The Hainan maduka trees provide shelter for the red tree ants, and in return, the ants protect the trees from leaf-eating insects. Even something as fierce as a wasp, if it invades the red tree ant's territory, will come under attack. Although the red tree ants are vulnerable, the wasp has no chance. More and more ants come to help. It's a battle between strength and quantity. The tiny ants, by working together, can defeat their giant enemy. It's in a microcosm such as this that it is possible to learn about the survival of the fittest and the lasting vitality of the rainforests.